our mayor, Trevor Watkins, is right worshipful, the Mayor of Newport. May we put our hands together for our mayor.
We switched on? Yes, we're all live and ready to go. Well, I'd like to, first of all, to thank you very much for inviting myself and the Mayoress to this fantastic Sunday today. A community get together and really show that the things which are happening in the African world. I've seen quite a lot already. I've only been here half an hour, and I've been very informative. So I hope you're looking after the community as a whole and taking part and obviously helping others within your